Oke, halo semuanya. Perkenalkan, nama saya Christian Surya Megapo. Saya adalah mahasiswa dari program studi D3 Perpustakaan FKIP Untan. Jadi di video kali ini saya akan menjelaskan tentang sistem otomasi perpustakaan, yaitu tentang aplikasinya dan menjelaskan beberapa aplikasi serta perbandingannya menggunakan bahasa Inggris. Selamat menyaksikan. Okay, so for the first, I will explain what is definition of for library automation system. So basically, library automation system is a technology-based system used to manage various library activities automatically, such as recording book collection, borrowing and returning, membership, to cataloging. The system aims to increase efficiency and facilitates access to information for librarian and library user. Okay, next I will explain application or software in librarian to automation system in librarian. So the system comparison has several aspects, namely the first is overall system, and the secondly is use and advantage and disadvantage. So the first software is Enlist Lite. So overall system in Enlist Lite is library automation system developed by the National Library of the Republic of Indonesia. And to do is users. Library use Enlist Lite to manage various aspects of the library, including cataloging, circulation, and membership. And advantage in software Enlist Lite is support basic cataloging and circulation and is free and open square. And the disadvantage is develop and update are still limited. So the disadvantage is not upgrading for the system or feature. So secondly is the next application is Slims. Overall system, complete open square library management system, and this librarian use Slims to manage a library operation from cataloging to circulation and reporting. Advantage in Slims is free and open square application. Disadvantage, performs may degrade if used for librarian with large collection. Next, we have OPAC. Overall system in OPAC is a part of ELS that focus on their user interface for searching and finding library collection online. And users is a library member, the general public use the OPAC to search a book, article, or other material they need. And advantage in OPAC is make it easier for user to find collection online. Disadvantage in OPAC is only works in only online catalog search. The next is microscope access. The overall system, a relation database managed system from microscope. They can be used to create simple application. Small librarian can microscope access to create simple database to manage their collection. And advantage in microscope access is easy to use for microscope office. And disadvantage in microscope access is not specifically designed for libraries. Okay, next is we have Koha in here. So overall system in Koha, a complete and popular open square library management system, and use Library use Koha to manage all library operation with features similar with Slim, but with some additional advantage. An advantage in Koha is open square, not cost required, and very complete feature including catalog, mark, circulation, and OPEC. And disadvantage is from Koha is requires adequate server for maximum performance. And the next is MySQL. Overall system is a popular OpenSquare database management system used for web application. And MySQL is often used database for ELS, including Slim, Koha, and Evergreen. An advantage is MySQL is a reliable or OpenSquare database and fast. And this disadvantage in this application is doesn't have a direct library management system, only a database. And the next is the WinSys or GDS or ISIS. Overall system for this software is a database software specifically designed for librarian and information center. And librarian use GDS or ISIS to create and manage library catalogs, including bibliography, description, and other information. Advantage with GDS or ISIS is developed by UNESCO and free to charge. Does not have high specification. And disadvantage for this software is a limit feature compared to modern automation system. And the next software is Evergreen. Overall system of Evergreen is an open square library management system designed for large libraries and consortia. Or users is a librarian use Evergreen to manage complex library network with advantage feature for sharing catalog, circulation, and research. And advantage in Evergreen is a free operation suitable for librarian with large network or consortia. And disadvantage is require a server with high specification for optimal performance. And the next is ELS or Integrated Library System. Overall system and integrated system that covers all aspects of library management. And for users, is a library use ELS manage a variety of tasks, including cataloging, circulation, accreditation, and member management. Advantage in ELS is an integrated system that process cataloging, circulation, borrowing, and returns. And disadvantage in this application is implementation requires special training for user, high cost. So from many application or many software, I have recommendation for automation system. Is Evergreen and Slims. Of the many system available for library information, I recommended two application is Evergreen and Slim. Of course, with several comparison factor between the two to suit the type library available. And there are several factors that influence this. Namely, first is scale and complexity. The two is features and functionality. 3 is user friendliness. 4 technical and community support. 5 implementation and maintenance cost. Oke, baik, mungkin hanya itu video dari saya. Mohon maaf apabila ada kesalahan dalam pengucapan bahasa Inggris yang kurang tepat. Saya akhiri, terima kasih.